Hello and welcome to today's session. This session focuses on Learning Outcome 2 LO2. Understand how to use financial information for decision-making and control. In this video, we will explore how public sector managers use financial information to make informed decisions. You will learn about the critical role of accurate financial data in planning, controlling budgets, and ensuring responsible spending while maintaining transparency and aligning with organizational priorities. Financial information is a key tool for public sector managers. It aids in planning services and making informed decisions. Managers rely on timely data to ensure funds are spent responsibly. This aligns spending with organizational priorities. Without accurate data, decisions would be based on assumptions. Public sector managers use financial data for strategic and operational decisions. Strategically, it helps allocate funding across services. Operationally, it guides day-to-day decisions like staffing and procurement. Financial data supports prioritization when funding is limited. Managers must decide which services are essential. Public sector organizations use various financial data types. These include approved budgets and spending limits. Forecasts and medium-term plans highlight future risks. Income and expenditure reports track financial performance. Each type serves a distinct purpose in decision-making. Financial information is central to public spending control. Regular monitoring identifies overspending or inefficiencies. Budget reports compare actual spending to planned budgets. Managers investigate variances and take corrective actions. Internal controls reduce fraud and misuse risks. Effective use of financial information supports accountability. Managers justify decisions to auditors and the public. Clear records show funds align with policies and budgets. Compliance with regulations is monitored through financial data. Inaccurate data can lead to reputational damage. Financial data demonstrates value for money. Cost and performance data assess service effectiveness. Comparing costs with outcomes helps identify improvements. Financial information supports continuous improvement. It ensures better use of public funds. Managers access a wide range of financial data. Approved budgets set spending limits. Variance reports highlight financial risks. Forecasts provide forward-looking information. External data offers independent assurance. Financial data has limitations. Budgets are based on assumptions. Outdated data leads to poor decisions. Non-financial performance data is also important. Managers must balance financial and quality considerations. Effective financial management requires monitoring. Key areas include budget performance and income levels. Staffing costs and procurement must be controlled. Capital expenditure needs close monitoring. Performance and outcomes should align with financial data. Monitoring combines systems and management actions. Regular financial reports compare performance to budgets. Variance analysis explains differences. Key performance indicators link financial monitoring to outcomes. Internal controls ensure accurate spending records. Public sector managers make various financial decisions. Strategic decisions shape future direction. Tactical decisions support strategic objectives. Operational decisions are short-term and routine. Compliance decisions ensure spending meets legal requirements. Different techniques support financial decisions. Budgeting provides spending limits. Cost-benefit analysis compares costs with benefits. Forecasting predicts future financial risks. Value for money analysis focuses on economy and effectiveness. Benchmarking assesses performance against similar organizations. Management accounting supports planning and control. Budgets translate objectives into financial plans. Costing information helps understand service costs. Management accounts provide regular financial reports. Proposed expenditures are assessed before commitments. Monitoring ensures money is spent according to budgets. Variance monitoring identifies spending differences. Revenue and capital expenditures are closely watched. Political review strengthens accountability. Monitoring supports financial control and informed decisions. Conclusion: financial information plays a vital role in supporting decision-making and organizational control. It enables informed choices, promotes accountability, and ensures that public funds are managed responsibly. By integrating financial data with performance information, managers can optimize resource allocation and deliver high-quality services efficiently, even within constrained budgets. If anything is unclear or you need help, WhatsApp us at 07484361688. Our team will gladly assist. Thanks for your time and see you at the next session.